I've kind of given up all hope that technology will really do what it's supposed to do, so I'm relying on YouTube for the agenda for the week as well. This shows us what we're going to do. This is also on the review that I did for 9 to 2011. No school on Labor Day, obviously. We're going to review the urban game that we did this week in Chapter 4 notes on Tuesday. Chapter 4 notes, finishing that up on Wednesday. On Thursday, we're going to do a practice test. This is, again, really just to see what you already know and what you don't know and what you really need to study for the night before. And then the formative number 4 unit test, part 2. This is the big one. This is the one that counts on the 9th. So that's what we have going on for this week. And then I'll just allow you to read through this. Just hit pause. And there you are. So thank you very much for taking the time to read through this and visiting the YouTube site. I do appreciate it.